Hi there. I just wanted to give you some instruction on the Rank the Candidates assignment. This one's a big one. It's worth 50 points, so I really want to make it very clear on my expectations. So to start, you're going to pretend you're on an admissions committee and you need to pick one more person to be part of this class. So it's like a college that these students are applying to. And there's 4 students, and they all wrote essays about why they want to get into this college. You are going to be evaluating them on how persuasive these essays are. So you're going to have to look for all the commonplaces, the pathos that they use, the logos, the ethos, decorum, and decide if they also used the advantageous tool. And you're going to rank which candidate gets the last seat. So your number one candidate would get the last seat, and then you're going to say who would get the second seat, the third, and the fourth. And after you rank them, that's part one. Part two, you're going to write about why candidate one gets the last seat in this class. So you're going to have to explain where in their paper they covered all the tools of rhetoric. So I make it really clear. If you can see right here, if you look at the screen, when you're in part two, I want you to look for all these tools of rhetoric. And then when you submit your paper, your assignment, I want you to list them just like this so that you can get points for all of them. I want you to let me know where you saw the commonplaces. And if you didn't, then say you didn't. But I want you to let me know, okay, if you didn't see it, how could they have used a commonplace? And where would you have put it? So you're really going to have to analyze these essays for all these tools. And the goal of this assignment is so that you get really familiar with these tools of rhetoric, because you're going to be writing your own essay for a scholarship. So you need to learn about these persuasive tools and how to use them. So for part three, you're going to explain your number two candidate, why that candidate didn't get a seat in the last class. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to talk about the tools of rhetoric. You're going to list each one, and then you get points for doing so for each part. And you can submit your paper. There's 3 parts. You're going to submit your paper in PDF or a Word document. Okay, so get started, and always feel free to post to the question and answer discussion board if you have a question. Maybe one of your classmates has a similar question, and you can help each other, and you can also email me through your Canvas inbox. Okay, keep up the great work, and that's Rank the Candidates.